Yo, so for today's video, I'm doing a what I spend in a week as an FSU student. So to start off this video, my eating in this video was really disgusting. It is a new semester. Every time at the beginning of the semester, at least for me, I feel like it's really hard to like get in like the schedule of the first semester. I filmed this the second week of school. It's now the fifth week, so I feel like I have my shit a little bit more together. And I was also like moved here. I wasn't here last semester, so it's like my old school used Blackboard and now I'm using Canvas. It's like that changed. And it was like the first week was online. I also brought like no plates here or cups. I brought like 3 cups and no plates. I had like no cooking stuff. I would say now that it's been a few weeks, my eating has adapted a little bit. It is less disgusting. So yeah, now on to the video. So hopefully this will help my spending habits because I spend way too much money. So for my rent, it's $735 a month. So per week, that is $183. There's parking at this. I don't have one of the reserved parking spots yet, but I might get one. That's like $25 a month, but I don't have one yet. So I'm not gonna include that until I get it, but I might get it later in this week. So I don't know, we'll see. So far today, I forgot to film this. It was like early this morning. I've gotten a Starbucks drink. It was like $5, so that's how much I spent so far. Right now I'm about to go to Panera Bread and I have to buy graphing paper for one of my classes, so that's gonna be a little bit of money. We'll see. Okay, I am back from Panera. So I made a bad decision in that Panera. I got the large mac and cheese instead of the small mac and cheese because he misheard me and I just didn't correct him. So I didn't finish it. I don't know why, but like I can finish my food at like every place except for like the Panera mac and cheese. I can like never finish that. Okay, so it was $9.52. I just got my graphing paper from Office Depot. The total was $10.74. So hopefully I don't need anything for the rest of the day, and that is all I spent today, hopefully. Okay, so for Monday's total spending, I spent $25.26. So this is the day 2 of what I spend in a week. So this is just long because CVS prints way too much, but so I had to get some more stuff for class. They keep making us get like too much stuff for class. I don't get why. Anyways, I had to get some foam boards, and I got 2 foam boards and they were $7.29 each. And then I got some water because I ran out of water bottles, and that costed $4.49. And my total was $20.17. They make this so long for like no reason. I only bought like 3 things. Like this could easily be like that, but okay, anyways. So time to go home. So for Tuesday's full spending, I spent $20.76. Hello. Okay, so it is the next day. I have only spent $7 today. I got a caramel frappe and chicken nuggets from McDonald's, and then the rest of the day I ate food that I had bought in like I think like last week from the grocery store. So yeah. For Wednesday's full spending, I spent $7. So it is the next day. So far I have gotten Chick-fil-A, but I had a gift card, so I didn't pay anything. So that's so far. We'll see. I don't know. I don't really have that much food anymore, so I might have to go to the grocery store or something. I don't really know what I'll do for the rest of the day. A lot of times I just eat snacks. A lot of times I eat like one real meal and then just eat snacks for the rest of the day, which is like not healthy. There is sun in my eyes. I'm like trying to do this, but there's sun in my eyes and I don't know how to block it. So I just spent like $20 at Walmart. I got a few things. I got a new mascara, a new concealer, and then I got some sticky notes. My concealer I've been like scraping the edge of for like a really long time, and then all my mascaras are like for sure expired and I'm still using them. Yeah, so I decided to get new things, and then I just got sticky notes because maybe I would need them. So yeah. For Thursday's full spending, I spent $20. It's the next day. Today has been a really bad spending day. So I spent, okay, so my car got towed. So then I had to pay $100 to get my car back. And then I got a Lyft drive there, and the Lyft was like $10, maybe a little bit more than that. And then I filled up with gas, which was like $20. And now I'm at McDonald's and I spent like $7. So yeah, today has been pretty bad. But you know, some days it's be like that. Okay. For Friday's full spending, I spent $138. Okay, I kind of forgot that I was doing this. This morning, I got a Starbucks drink. It was like $5. And then for dinner, I got Domino's and I paid like $16 because I got a pizza and I got like bread. For Saturday's full spending, I spent $21. Okay, so for spending today, it's been kind of bad. I spent $8 at Chick-fil-A and then I had to buy some school supplies. I don't know why they keep making us like buy stuff because I feel like they could easily like have these same assignments without making us buy stuff. I paid $15 at Michael's for this stuff. I got some craft paper. I got some construction paper I needed. Okay, so this is my last spending of the week. This is at night and there's no way I'm gonna buy anything else at this point. Okay, so I got myself a Blizzard. It was $4. I definitely don't need it, but it's a reward for existing. Okay. For Sunday's full spending, I spent $27. So for the full week, I spent $429. That is really, really bad. That's like a $2,000 a month. That's really bad. I do definitely need to get that spending under control. My weekly spending would be a little bit better than this because my car doesn't get towed every single week, so there was that fee. But yeah, I definitely need to get myself under control. If we want to be on technical terms and like have like another spending, which like this is just gonna make it worse. I have an Adobe subscription, which is $20 a month, so it's $5 a week. I have a Spotify subscription, which is $5 a month, so per week it's like $1.25. I have a Wix subscription, which is like, I think it's like $28 a month. That'd be like $7 a week. Ooh, I also have some streaming services, but technically those ones are family owned, so I'm not gonna put that all on me. The Disney Plus one is definitely on me though. But yeah, that makes it way worse. Oh my god. Yeah, that was the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back. Goodbye.